viewers, welcome to Think Next YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is surrounded by four continents, namely Asia, Australia, North America and South America. This is the place where Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean meets. They meet, but they never mix. Mariana Trench is the deepest trench in the world and it is in the Pacific Ocean. It is at 35,814 feet below the sea level. Explorer Ferdinand Magellan named the Pacific Ocean in the 16th century. He called this body of water Pacific due to the calmness of the water at the time. Pacific means peaceful. Ferdinand Magellan. The Ring of Fire, also referred to as the Circum-Pacific Belt, is a path along the Pacific Ocean characterized by active volcanoes and frequent earthquakes. Its length is approximately 40,000 kilometers. In Earth, 71% of Earth is covered with water and 29% of Earth is covered with land. In that 71%, 97% is salt water and only 3% is fresh water. In that 3%, 79% is ice caps and glaciers and 29% is groundwater and the remaining 1% of water is accessible surface fresh water. In that 1%, it is in lake and 1% in river and 8% in water vapor and 38% in soil moisture and 1% of water within living organisms. There are five main oceans. There are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. The simple way to remember the ocean's name from bigger to smaller is PISA. P means Pacific Ocean, A means Atlantic Ocean, I means Indian Ocean, S means Southern Ocean and A means Arctic Ocean. And last, we are going to see about water cycle. What is water cycle? The water which is in surface, like the water in rivers and lakes, mixes in ocean and this process is called transpiration, and the water which mixes in ocean evaporates due to heatness and this process is called evaporation. And next process is condensation, which means the vaporized water goes to sky and changes into clouds. The clouds gives us rain and snow and this process is called precipitation. Today we have seen lots of information about the Pacific Ocean and water cycle. See you guys next video. Thank you for watching this video.